Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you how we can create different hairstyles at our own places without visiting any expensive hair salons. All these hairdos are very simple, very easy. They look so elegant and beautiful. Once you are able to just make them, you can practice it once or twice. After that, you can just create these hairstyles at your own places. These hairstyles are just inspired from the classical braids that we usually make. Moreover, some are inspired from the twisty turns and the classical bunny type of the look. All these hairstyles are not that much complex. The difficulty level for each hairstyle is different. It depends upon the experience that you will create once you will try to make all these hairstyles. You can just make use of few hairpins, some of the hair accessories, and you will be able to create such beautiful hairdos at your own place. You may require some of your time because patience is the key to success, and if you want to make these hairstyles successfully, you just have to be patient. If you will get confused at any particular step, you can just pause the video then repeat it again. Moreover, we have tried to keep it as simple as we can. The key to success is that here you don't need to skip any particular step. You just have to watch the video completely. If you will skip any portion, then you won't be able to just make it perfectly. This is to be noted down that each step is to be followed in a sequential manner. You can't perform one step after the another random manner. So just remain focused and try to create these hairstyles at your own places. These hairstyles are less expensive as you don't need any expensive thing for this one. Few rubber bands, few hairpins and your comb and you are done. We will now see this type of the hairstyle. First I am making the half division, more than half division, then the middle section is to be taken and converted into the bun as shown here. The leftover here is also to be covered over this bun. It looks so nice and quite easy. Let's have a look for this type of the hairstyle. You just have to give first the twisty turns as apparent on your screens and in a circular motion. Fix them at the proper position using this fancy pen. Let's have a look for this hairstyle. First I am taking the two different strands from the two ends and fixing them at the proper position using the rubber band. Now the leftover ponytail is to be fixed by two rubber bands and giving them a circular roll. You can convert it into the bun. Let's have a look towards this type of the hairstyle. Here I am taking the few strands of the hair from left and the right side and then I am fixing them using the rubber band, giving them the internal twist. The ponytail is to be fixed using the two more rubber bands and again giving some of the internal twist. Fix it at the proper position using the bun pin. Let's have a look for this type of the hairdo. First you just have to make a high ponytail. After that you just have to place a pin over it as apparent on your screen. Then the leftover here is open and just fixed using this pen. So let's have a look for this type of the hairstyle as shown here. You just have to watch the video completely. It's best suitable for the medium length hair. It's just a simple bun. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned.